It's the Firefighter smoke alarm, as you can see right there. This actually came, as you saw from my unboxing, as a 2-pack here with this fire extinguisher. It's a 5 VC dry chem. See, it's not designed for type A fires. Now I went like this, a couple times, like you should do regularly. I think just with the dry chemicals. I'm not sure of the other types, but after a while I could feel it, the powder, loosen up in there. So it might work, but I wouldn't trust it. I mean, I like it, but I wouldn't trust it because it is from 1986. Right there. Get a focus there, yeah. But this we're more interested in the smoke alarm. So here it is. It's a Dicon model actually, with a slightly different cover. Or I shouldn't say slightly, it's a different cover. The vents are kind of the same, but they go in farther. This is textured. The actual cover is textured there, as you can see. Push and hold to test. Here's the base. Do not paint, model SA3000. Homeowner's manual and stuff. Contains radioactive material, Mercium-241. Just like any other ionization detector, modern ones, that is. Older ones, of course, used radium-226, some of them did. Returning to RC Industries, P.O. Box 224, Linden, New Jersey. I wonder if they're even in business anymore. Well, I just Googled it, and RC Industries does not exist anymore. At least for this particular version of it. There is one that makes like toolboxes, and they're based in Chicago. But as far as this is, the Firefighter ones, they don't exist anymore. Single station smoke detector, issue number 19060. With your sensor up there, and the LEDs in there. And unlike this one, the LED flashes an alarm. And speaking of this one, I figured out why the test button was so temperamental. Why it wouldn't sound easily. Thing was right there. That little tab on the sensor was bent. So this, look out! So this thing wasn't making proper contact until it was pushed way down. So I just lifted the tab back up, and now it works. So let's see the inside of this one. It looks a little different. I'm gonna have to open up this one again. Because here the battery connector is sort of integrated. But other than that, the horn's the same, the sensors, or this is the newer type that has the thing that makes contact with the sensor. There's your LED in there. The sensor's got the round holes like this one does. But this one doesn't have these little things. Here, I noticed those too when I was looking at this up close. I was thinking maybe it was another way to mount them, but what I found out is one of my other ones is this could also be used in models that can't be opened, and then there'd be a molding in the cover that would sort of mate with that. And I'll show you. Slide in a picture of it. Anyways, there's the cover of this one, inside of the cover. As you can see, it looks a lot like that. Whoa! Now, well, this one had the BRK type sound. This one has a fast 4.6 sound. Sorry about that. The test button got stuck. I didn't hit it, you know, to be angry. Test button got stuck down, so. Anyways, it does a fast 5.6. Here's the box for it. I imagine these were also available separately because these were, as you can see from the top of the box here. I think the top of the box, yep. Now, I think as I mentioned, when I saw these originally at Shopko, I didn't think it was Firefighter. I thought it was Fyr Fyter. And I thought, does the alarm go Fyr Fyter, Fyr Fyter, Fyr Fyter, Fyter? Oh. Yeah, like I said, I saw these in Shopko. Found this one on eBay, actually. There's another one available if you want one. So anyways, that's the Firefighter, smoke alarm, and fire extinguisher. Is there anything else in there? That's the holder for the extinguisher and everything. Well, I guess we'll let you see the box. Again, as I said, it's kind of in rough shape because dang tape was non-cooperative. See, this side deals with the alarm, that with the extinguisher. And then again, as you can see, this is only rated for BC. Rated for BC, huh? Did Jesus use it? Ha ha ha! Anyway, you see right there, rated 5B to B:C. And there's your detector thing. Was that supposed to be a person with a hat? Actually, it's a lamp on a table. And that chair looks weird. I don't know how to explain that, like an android or something. But anyways, there's your beds and everything. Install at least one firefighter smoke alarm on each level or in each living area of your home. Oh, before, we aren't done yet. Because we got to look at the manual. Firefighter smoke alarm, SA3000. A lot of the Dicon alarms have this type of manual too, with the brand name here and then the picture of the unit there. It's all folded up, so it's like wanted to stay like that, of course. You know, it's a lot like the manual for that one. It's basically the same thing. Mark and then drill two 3/16" holes to line up with the mounting holes in the detector base. Well, as you saw, there are two holes here, but the one's hidden by this label. And they're in a different spot than in this model. I'm not sure if it was in this video where I did the comparison or a other one. Probably this one, but whichever. I'll edit it out if it isn't. Other than that, as you can see, it looks basically the same. The mounting slots are in different... Whoa! Mounting slots are in a different position, so... There you go! The Firefighter smoke alarm. Or again, as I used to think, Fyr Fyter smoke alarm.